I've set myself a project to make 30 videos in 30 days. I have so many videos that I want to create. I have so much content I want to share with you, but I'm hamstrung by how long it's been since I've seriously made videos. I'm hoping that 30 videos in 30 days will force me to look at things differently. It will force me to put something together and force me to be creative. And I'm hoping once the momentum is going, I'll be able to create all of the content that I have in my heart ready to share.
So we have just got home. We went into work for a couple of hours. It's now just after 3 o'clock and the apparent temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. We've still got at least an hour's worth of heat to come in the day before it officially starts cooling off, unless the wind swings around. So being 50 degrees, the apparent temperature, everything is literally suffering. That's 122 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's time to move the hose again.